Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable Radeon Super Resolution for AMD Radeon 7900 XTX. To do it, you need to right click on your desktop, then go to AMD software. Now you can go to gaming and you can either adjust that option for a certain game by going into that, then enabling or disabling the super resolution, but you can also adjust this setting globally by going to graphics, then changing the super resolution to enabled. You can also click on configure game settings here, and here you can adjust the sharpen effect. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.